Welcome back, everybody. I just got done working out, and let's see what I have in the fridge. I kind of want to make sweet and sour chicken, so we're gonna need a lot of ingredients. Well, not too many, but let's see what I got. All I have is green onions, so I guess we're gonna have to walk on over to the store. Now that I got my ingredients, let's make some sweet and sour chicken. So I forgot the pineapple juice. Whey protein, but it's okay. I have a little lime and lemon to make it sweet. You can make it sour. I'm gonna throw in some Thai chili peppers. So we'll call it sweet, sour, and spicy chicken. Start by slicing the chicken into 1-inch cubes. Slice down the middle, slice it sideways, and you're gonna need 3 chicken breasts for this recipe. Half a cup of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and combine all ingredients together. So we're only going to use about a half a cup of coconut oil. Cook the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Man, that looks amazing. Mashed diced garlic. Dice the red pepper in half. Remove the core. Next, we're going to wash the seeds out. Slice the red pepper into 3 1-inch cubes or 4 1-inch cubes. Do the same to the onion. Slice in half into 1-inch cubes. Dice the Thai chili peppers into little circles or rings. Just dice it. Smash that ginger, about 1 tablespoon, a half a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a half a cup of white sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar. Now squeeze 1 lemon and lime. Man, that was a juicy one. 3 green onions and slice into 1-inch slices. Now that the chicken's fried, the veggies are chopped, we have the sauce, let's throw in the wok. Cook the garlic for about 1 minute. Add the veggies, stir the veggies and garlic for 2 minutes. Mix together, and you don't want it too soft, you still want it crunchy. Add the chicken, mix all ingredients, then you're gonna take this off so we can make the sauce, and then we're going to re-add the ingredients. Add the sauce we made, stir for about 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens, then add the ingredients back in, then add the green onions, then mix together. Now mix it for 1 more minute and we're done. You see that? Let's try this out. It's good. What can I say? It kind of tastes sweet and spicy. Hey everyone, I hope you like this dish. My only advice is 1, make sure you don't forget the pineapple. 2, you have at least an hour to make this dish because this takes a lot longer than 15 minutes. And I'm really hungry. So please subscribe and I'll see everyone later.